Hello everyone, welcome to my art channel. This is day one of my drawing journey. Today we are starting with most basic line practice exercise. We will show the difference between wrist and elbow movement and how to draw the wrist line. So first, I'm using wrist movement. Here we move our hand only from the wrist, not the elbow. Wrist movement is useful uh, for small and short line, but it becomes difficult to draw long, smooth and line using only the wrist. So now let's get started. I'm using small line using my wrist movement, and I'm trying to keep equal space between them. Let's get started from left to right. So switch your hand from one place to another using wrist movement. We will switch to elbow movement. We will not move from wrist. Here wall hand moves, not just to wrist, which help in drawing longer and smoother line. Let's draw from left to right using elbow movement. I'm trying to keep spacing equal to the line consistency. So move your hand from the elbow, not wrist. You can see the difference here. Elbow line looks smoother and more natural, while wrist line can look slightly shaky for longer strokes. So important to observe this and practice both movement regularly, so we can improve by using those practices. I also drawing curve using wrist movement and compare them with elbow movement. So it's better to draw with steady and slightly faster motion instead of drawing very slowly. This help improve the line quality. Some lines are not perfect, but that's completely okay. I need to more practice and I will keep improving step by steps. Now let's try to perpendicular line and start with wrist movement and observe your mistake. We will try with wrist movement first. And now we'll use the elbow movement. We will not keep touch our hand to surfaces. Okay, so this one is the wrist. Second one is the elbow movement. This one is the wrist. This one is the elbow. Okay, perfect. So now we will practice for the cross lines. Let's start with the wrist movement. We will try to keep the space between both lines. And let's start with the elbow movement. So those lines is wrist and elbow. So practice regularly, observe your mistake, and keep improving by those basic exercise. Let's try the circular motion and start with the wrist. We will move our wrist. So try starting point from the wrist and slowly start movement from the elbow. Let's try another. Let's try anti-clockwise, starting from wrist and slowly moving from the elbow. So these are basic exercise to improve line quality. If you practice daily, your line will definitely improve. So you can always observe here, like by moving elbow, your line will be steady, and you can draw the smoother line by using elbow movement, but by not wrist. So if you want to draw small line, and there will be useful the wrist movement. Last exercise here for straight line from left to right. So let's try with first wrist. Yeah. So let's try with elbow movement now. So you can observe the left one is we have used by wrist movement, and right lines we have used by elbow movement. So these are the simple exercise to improve line quality. If you practice daily, line will definitely improve. So practice regularly, observe your mistake, keep improving, follow my journey, and see you in day 2. Thank you.